So this is the wiring for the 1999 Nissan Maxima, the fan wiring. This is for fan 1 and fan 2. And I'm showing the 3 relays involved, relay 1, relay 2, and relay 3. Both of them go through a 30 amp fuse to a fusible link to the battery, hot, always hot. And basically what I'm showing here, there's these connectors that transition from the wiring of the motor harness on the fan shroud to the wiring of the under the hood in the engine compartment to the relays. And so what happens is the color code changes from the motors to the rest of the wiring. So I just wanted to document what the color code was here. You can see there's blue, green, yellow, and black. And then it transitions to white, black, white, blue, white, red, and black. And the black is always ground there. And the white blue here, that'll become positive. And the yellow will become negative on both the fans. And the blue wire, in both cases, that also just goes to positive. Here's the pin out of the connector, and this is coming from the fan shroud, from the motors on the fan shroud. And so this is if you're looking into the connectors, into the pins. The pins are male, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, the color code: blue, green, yellow, and black. So I've got the voltmeter set on DC, and I'm monitoring the voltage that this motor generates when I spin it. And I can get up to maybe almost a volt when I'm spinning it in the direction that the fan's going to normally run. And if I spin it backwards, I'll get a negative voltage. And so that's the primary side of the fan. And so if I hook a voltage to that, it will make the fan run. I'm mostly just wanting to see if these fans work. It appears to. I've got about a 12 volt battery here, and that's the low side anyway. And the high side, that's that fan. I want to go ahead and check the one next to it. See, I'm on black and blue. Same thing, when I spin it, I get that voltage there. And so now if I apply the voltage from the battery on here, it should spin as well, I'm thinking. Now I'm going to test the high speed. So I've got all 4 of the connections made as if it was going to be in the high speed mode of the fan. You can definitely hear it kick in. So I'm hooking up the other fan. I'm going to test it in high speed. And I'm just using the 2 jumpers. I've got the ground and the positive jumped on the fan. I'll show you that connection. So when I spin it, I'm going to check and see if I'm going to generate a voltage. I do. And now I'm going to apply power to both of them and check the high speed function of this fan. Yep, got it there.